In this question, what we are given is an array, and in that array, all the elements repeat 3 times except one element, which appear only once. So it's a unique number. Okay, it's a array of number. Okay, so here we have this array 3 2 3 3. So as you can see, the 3 is repeated thrice and only 2 has appeared once, and same for this case. As you can see, 9 has appeared once and all the other elements have appeared thrice. So our goal is to find the unique element, okay, which has appeared for only once. So one solution which most of the people will come up with is this. It requires extra space. So what we do here is keep a track of the count of occurrence, and after finding the count of occurrence, we check whether the count of occurrence is equals to 1. So we return that number, and this is going to run. Okay, and as you can see, I won't be submitting it as there is a better solution for this. The better solution would be somewhat related to bit manipulation. Okay, so in bit manipulation, what we are going to do is uh, here the array 3233. Okay, inside the memory, the number is represented in this way. Okay, there are many zeros here. Okay, and this one. So this represents 1 and this represents 2, 4, 8, and so on. This continues. So when we add 2 plus 1, that gives us 3. So this is the representation of 3 inside the memory. So uh, I want to show you something. Like if there is something like this, 3 XOR 3. When we do 3 XOR 3, the property of XOR is whenever the bits are same, so it becomes 0. Okay, so when we XOR 3 XOR 3, so the result is this. Okay, now if something comes like this 2, okay, and we do XOR of this, like 3 XOR 3 2. Okay, so whenever we write something like this, so if we do XOR and the number has repeated for 2 times, they cancel out each other. As we have seen, the result was previously 0. And if it appear once, okay, so the 2 has appeared for 1, so this becomes 1. So we got the number. When we convert it to decimal, we get the number 2. Okay, so we get the number 2 here. So in this way we can find which is the unique number. But here our problem is the number is appearing for 3 times. So repetition is for 3 times. So if we XOR this, it becomes 0, as we have seen earlier, as these are same. Now this is for the third time. Now this comes when this comes for the third time. Okay, so these two results were 0, and when we do XOR, it will give us this. Now we cannot find a unique element like 2. If 2 comes, the result would be somewhat like 0 0 1 0. Okay, and the XOR would be here. Both bits are same, so it leads to 0, and our number, the equivalent, would be 1. So this is not the unique number that we had. Okay, so we need to find a way such that whenever a number appears 3 times, okay, whenever a number appears 3 times, like this 3 is appearing 3 times, so it should cancel out all the bits, okay, which has appeared 3 times, and only keep the bits which had appeared once. Okay, so this should be our intuition. Like these bits appear 3 times. If a number appear 3 times, means though those bits have appeared 3 times. Okay, so this all should cancel out. Our intuition would be this all should cancel out. Okay, and these 3 will result in 0, and this would be representing the bit which has appeared once. Okay, so here I have made the same thing. What happens here is this is the formula which we are going to use. Okay, the intuition behind is the appear 1 is stores those bits which had appeared once. Okay, so only those bits will be stored, and appear 2 store those bits which had appeared twice. Okay, not more than twice, not less than twice. so only those bits which has appeared twice. Now you will be saying that we have three times occurrence, so those bit appear three times. What will happen when a bit occur three times? So it will be removed from both appear 1 and appear 2. So if a bit occur for three times, it will be removed from both of them. So let's look at this. I won't be explaining all of those stuff. You can probably go through all this. uh, this bit has came for the first time. Okay, so appear 1, the number is 3. Okay, so we are iterating over this. I've written in this way. So the number is 3. This bit appear for the first time, so it is set in this appear 1. Okay, now what will happen is in 2. Okay, you see this bit. Okay, this is common in between both of them, so basically the second bit is appearing for the second time, so it is set into this appear 2. Okay, and this bit has appeared only once. Okay, in this operation you see this bit is not common between 3 and 2, the number 3 and 2, so this bit is not common, so it has appeared only once, so it has set in appear 1. Now when the bit occurs for the third time, if I show you this, look at this bit of this one and this one, so it has appeared for the third time, so our goal should be removing it from both of them, as appear 1 doesn't have the bit set earlier, as you can see, so it doesn't have that bit, and appear 2, okay, has that bit set, as you can see 1, so we should remove that bit, and this one is because this bit has appeared second time. This bit has appeared second time, so it is stored into this. Okay, so whenever a bit appears for the third time, it is removed from both a1 and a2, and when this bit, like the third time, okay, so when, as you can see, as if you look this bit 1 1, this is the second occurrence, so if the due to the second occurrence it is stored here. Okay, and when it appears for the third time here, it is removed from here as well. Okay, and we are left with the only bits which had appeared once, so in appear 1 we have the answer at last. So these are the operation that we need to perform to get there. Okay, you can go through this. Okay, probably stop the video and go through this all those steps, and let's write the code for that. Okay, so it's a pretty simple code. So what we are going to do is make two variables, appear 1 and appear 2. We set both of them to 0, and now we iterate over the array. So for num in array, appear 1 is equals to appear 1 XOR number, and then we do AND operation with the negation of appear 2, and this same thing repeats, just few changes, appear 2 and here comes appear 1. Okay, and this should probably work. Oh sorry, this appear 1 was actually pre-written. I tested that code earlier, and let's run this. As you can see, now submit the code. As you can see, we have passed all the test cases.